Have you got any words of wisdom? Anything? Anything? Or just a big old grin? Uh-oh. Those aren't supposed to be up there. No. No, put those down. Put your feet down. Put your feet down, please. Thank you. Other one. There we go. Anything you want to say? Any messages you want me to send back to Missouri? No? Put your feet down. No. Put your feet down. Thank you. Hey, can I have some? Can I have some food? Thank you. It's yummy. Oh, you want some of that? Say that's scrummy. Will you please put those feet down for once and for all? Will you please put those feet down? Okay.